You've probably heard the term SEO before, and you probably know that it has something to do with getting onto the front page of Google. But apart from that, most people don't really know how it works or why it's so important for their business. So here is an explanation of exactly what SEO is. Simply put, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's the practice of making your website, your product, or your business easy to find online. You can have the best business in the world, but if nobody can find you, then nobody can work with you. Now, we all know that the internet is a huge place full of billions of pieces of information, and your business and your website are just a few tiny pieces of information in this vast global ocean of data. So if you want to be found, you've got to make it easy for search engines to find you. You've got to rank as highly as you can. Now, the sole job of search engines is to locate things online, to help people find whatever they're looking for. And to do that, they follow a distinct set of rules. Now, search engines aren't people. They don't have motivations or emotions. They simply do what they're programmed to do, and that is find things that people are looking for. Think of them as efficient robots with only one goal: to show users the most relevant results for what they're searching for. Now, all you have to do is learn the rules, and then you can start to stand out from the crowd. You'll no doubt be familiar with Google, but there are plenty of other search engines out there that operate in much the same way. Google just happens to be the biggest by a long way. So YouTube, Amazon, and eBay, all examples of platforms that respond to optimization, and all of them use sophisticated algorithms to figure it all out. Now, each of those platforms has a different focus. YouTube obviously focuses on video, while Amazon is all about physical products, but the concept is essentially the same. There are several reasons why using an SEO campaign is a great idea. One, you can reach a much larger and more targeted audience than you can marketing with other means. Two, the traffic from your SEO is technically free, so you're not paying for individual ads. And three, it's a long-term solution. It's going to give you consistent traffic if you stay on top of it. And it's important to remember that an SEO campaign isn't a do once and then forget kind of thing like a television commercial. It's a process that needs to be maintained once it's set up. But the good news is, once it is set up, the maintenance is actually pretty simple. PWD specializes in search engine optimization, which means that we know the rules. We know how to do things like backlinking, essentially online references from other sites that act like a digital word of mouth and let Google know that you're worth looking at. We create high quality content for your site. We can check the overall health of your site to see what needs fixing. We do mobile responsive websites because over 60% of Google searches are made on a mobile device, which means Google absolutely loves websites that display well on both desktop and mobile. And we can boost the page speed so your site loads faster. Basically, all Google wants to do is keep their users happy. And to do that, it needs to serve them with exactly what they want: fast, mobile responsive, and above all, relevant search results. Now, if this all sounds really complicated, the good news is it doesn't actually have to be. And if you know how the game is played, you can win it. All you have to do is tick the boxes, follow the rules, and make it as easy as possible for Google and the other search engines to find you. In the next few videos, I'm actually going to go into more depth about creating great quality content for your site, building links and backlinking, and how to find out just how healthy your website is.